side marker lights, kind of looking a little worn. It's cracked right there. So I got some replacements off Rock Auto. Wonderful company. Pretty inexpensive. So here we go.
We missed one.
So that's what we need to remove. We got these two screws that are holding on. Oh, sorry for the spider web. Gotta remove those in order to remove the whole assembly unit. And we'll get to the harness as well. This is how I'm having to do this. Sorry, I can't find it. Such a tight space. Can you see? No. Got it. Yeah. That's a little booger. 1 and 2. Now to get the whole piece out. Okay. Well, unlike the rear ones, which you have to pop out with a little plastic tool separator, these ones just come out. Wiggle it out. Come on. We're a little stuck. Oh, why are we stuck? Let go. There we go. Come on. Come on. Whoop. Okay, careful of your harness. And there we go. Got it out. Ew. Alright. Let's see if I can do this. I don't have a camera stand. I'm just going to use my knees. Looky there. Push it on your little pigtail. Gently pull it out because these are very fragile. Come on. Come on. I got it. So you can see where it's cracking. Oh, right there. And I figured it's about time to get them replaced. Alright. There we go. Now to get the new one assembled. Sorry. Tore open the box. Did it the wrong way, but it's okay. So here's our new one. It comes with 2 pieces. I don't know. Maybe I'll go ahead and I'll take that sticker off and put it on the other side. Sure. Or I can just leave it on. Might as well. Alright, so I'll get it put in. Let's see, whoops. So, it's going to be facing looks good. No, it's not clogged. A little hard to get in, but that's okay. Let's write that back in. Oh, and it fits in real nice. Now to get those little tabs back in, and I think we'll be solid. That looks so much better. So beautiful. One thing I should have done before I completely put those little metal pieces back in to secure it, probably should have checked it. I do this every time. Okay, lesson learned. Let's see. Why is... Oh, duh. Can't put it on automatic if it's daylight outside, dummy. Don't put it there, or even your parking lights. Okay, moment of truth. Oh my goodness. Hey, it works. Looks a little brighter too. So, wonderful. working. So we're gonna look at the other side because I gotta get that one done too. How dull, kinda. I mean, well, yeah. That one's next. But now we got a basis of what they look like. Turn this off. That's the one right there. I can't get it. It won't. I tried a smaller. Yeah, I'm going the right way. I think it just doesn't want to grip the piece. That's why we're having issues with. I got the other one loose, I just can't get this one loose. This one. I got it. Just needed to apply a lot of pressure. So, let's take a look at this baby boy, shall we? Mr. Difficult. Do I do this? Pull it out. Gently push in the pigtail clip. And then give it a little slight wiggle out. There we go. It's just so dirty. I think it's. Ooh. Ew. There we go. So there's that one. Oh, well, actually, I'll help unbox the new one. Do it correctly this time. I try to open it at this end, which I don't think it matters at this point. Come on. Beautiful. Oh my goodness. Compared to the other side, this is actually not too different. But, you know, nice and shiny. A little dull. Alrighty. Oh! Oh my gosh, you scared me! Don't do this. My neighbor scared me. He just snuck up behind me. I don't know why he came to bother me. He does. He sees me working on my car, and then he's like, "Ooh, what you doing?" And it's like, I'm working on my car. So, yeah. Some of the things that happen around here is ridiculous. Now it's time to put those clips back in, and then I still gotta reinstall this guy from when I did my radiator, which I didn't do a video on because that was one of those. My husband and I were doing the typical mechanic anger. We were both angry. No matter what we did, couldn't get the dang thing to do what we wanted to do. Okay. Oh, yep. So there's we just got to put the clips back on that and that peg, and then we should be good to go, and we're done. Alrighty, and there we have it. Everything's back in place. Not missing any, or don't got any extra screws floating around. That's a good sign. And then there you have it. Beautiful new light markers. Both sides. Definitely, you can do this as a beginner. Takes a little time, but it can be done. And until next time, take it easy.